Hey friends, welcome back to another quick draw on Monkey Doodle. I'm Mr. L and I'll be your drawing host. So today, since it's a lovely summer day, I would like to draw a sea turtle with you. And I saw a sea turtle this summer. It was so cool when I went fishing and it really inspired me. So get your marker ready and let's start with a big oval. Ready? Just like that. And we're going to make another oval inside of it. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect. All right, inside of that oval, we're going to make a shape called a hexagon in the middle here. So a hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Below it, we'll keep going with that hexagon pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that one that's connected to the other is 6. Let's do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one that was joined together, that one they have in common is 6. All right, let's do another one up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 6. That's the center hexagon pattern shape. Now we're going to add lines that make it sort of like other hexagons, but not total hexagons. So just connect straight lines until they hit the side of the shell, okay? And we're going to get the lines going kind of like different directions. Some might be longer, some might be shorter. Oop, that went over. And one right there. So you want to make them hit the side of the shell. And we'll hide that a little bit by coloring it later on. Okay, so that's our sea turtle shell. Looking nice and strong. Remember, that's the sea turtle's home. Let's make a head on top here. Sort of like a pointy shape, more narrow here, coming out on the sides and then in. And let's make 2 nostrils, 2 dots. 2 ovals for eyes near the side of the turtle. I'm going to switch over to my other Sharpie. Let's make 2 circles or ovals inside of that. Color it black. And you look like the turtle's looking around now with those cool eyes. And now we're going to make some flippers, okay? So it's going to come out, down, and then tight right to the shell, okay? Remember, sea turtles have long flippers that help it swim, guys, okay? Out, down, and narrow to the side. We have some action there. Our friend is swimming around. Okay, let us do the bottom flippers. Smaller, similar but smaller. Out, down, and to the side. Out, down, to the side, and come in. All right, so bigger in front, smaller in the bottom. Nice short tail. It looks like a letter V sticking out. And that is our friend sea turtle. One more little thing. Make a few lines that go around the outside of the shell. And that's like another pattern that the sea turtle has. And they kind of like create little rectangles that travel along the outside. All right, excellent job on your sea turtle, guys. So get your color materials out and let's color this sea turtle. Yeah. Remember, friends, if you enjoy drawing Mr. Sea Turtle with me, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay?